Hi, it's Fies Tarot. Hello, Capricorn placements. This is your love reading pagdating sa next action ni person mo ngayong July. Okay, pagdating sa sitwasyon ninyo. Okay, so yeah. Before tayo mag-start, syempre, kung di ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang, okay? So, okay. Parang walang nangyayari. Oo, sa sitwasyon. Oo, walang galaw. Oo, tingnan natin. Okay, so let's see. Kung may mga tanong po ha, message lang kayo sa akin pong FB page. Okay, so ano ba ang situation ng mga Capricorn when it comes to love? Tingnan natin. Anong meron? Situation ng mga Capricorn, please. The Nine of Pentacles. Ay, okay. Nine of Pentacles and someone is too focused on their career, on their wealth. Okay. On being independent. Okay, nakaka-intimidate pag ganito, Nine of Pentacles. Okay, yeah, there's attraction, pero nakakatakot lapitan or I don't know. Why the Nine of Pentacles? Yeah, the Five of Chalices. Okay. Yeah, the Moon, the Knight of Swords, Universe. Someone is giving more attention than the other. Okay. Someone is sabihin nating sobrang interesado sa isa. Parang ganyan. Anyway, let's see. Ano bang meron? Anong meron pagdating sa person mo, Capricorn? Okay, anong meron sa kanya? Anong meron sa person mo, Capricorn? The person on your mind. The Ten of Chalices. Okay, so I think itong taong to nakakapagbigay sa'yo ng happiness. Okay, parang meron kayong strong connection. Agad-agad ng taong to, the Ten of Chalices. Nandun yung, basta, something na nagbibigay ng saya sa'yo. Parang ganyan. Ten of Chalices and the Five of Wands. Kainaman. Oh, the Empress is here in reversed. At the bottom of the deck, the Page of Chalices in reverse. Some of you have this huge age gap. Oo. Pinapansin ka ba nito, Capricorn? Mahirap, parang I think this person, no, parang sabihin ko sa'yo the Five of Wands, ang hirap makuha yung sabihin natin, I don't know if you have this physical connection ng taong to, pero this person is giving you happiness. Yeah. So, nakukuha ko dito, parang nakikita mo lang siya, pero kulang pagdating sa action. Yeah. Kulang. Napapasaya ka lang ito. I don't know. Yun nga, pwedeng nakikita mo lang siya. Okay ka na kapag nakita mo siya. The Five of Wands, kulang dito is action. Yeah. Hindi uma-action itong taong to pagdating sa'yo actually. Walang nangyayari tuloy. So, yun na, kanina. Umpisa pa lang. Capricorn, wala atang nangyayari. Oh, 'di ba? Okay. Ano ba talaga ang emosyon nito para sa'yo? Ito specifically, some of them meron silang family issue. Okay, the 10 of Cups and the 5 of Wands. Meron silang family issue, family problems. There's a lot of drama pagdating sa family nila. Parang ganon. Okay? So, let's see. Anong meron? Pagdating sa emotion nito para sa'yo, Capricorn. The Queen of Swords. Oo. Hindi na ako nabigla. Oo. They're too detached and cold. Silent. Bakit? Why the Queen of Swords? Why the Queen of Swords? The Six of Pentacles in reversed. I think itong taong to may takot din, no? Na ibigay or gayahin kung anong meron pagdating sa'yo. Pero I think energy ito ng ano eh. Alam nila na meron silang emotion for you pero they don't focus on that. Parang hinahayaan lang nila. Okay, yeah, the Four of Pentacles, they're holding back their emotions. Okay? So, siguro takot sila mag-give in, no? Dito sa connection na to. Yeah, this person is sabihin nating nararamdaman nila yung connection with you, but yeah, hindi nila pinagfo-focusan masyado. Wala akong makita rito kung past or new to. Okay. Let's see. Check ko dito. Is it a past or a new person? A past or a new person for Capricorn? Temperance. Ay, nako. The Hierophant, wala pang nangyaring connection sa inyo actually. Okay, sa ngayon wala pa. The Temperance, I think, nandun kayo sa energy ng waiting game. Yeah, waiting game. Pareho naman kayo ng nararamdaman ito eh. Pero someone is, talagang lumalayo lang. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, so let's see. What is their next action towards this situation? Sa sitwasyon nyo, may takot pa rin tong taong to na gumawa ng action eh. I don't know why. So maybe some of them, they're too immature pa lang. Too immature. Ano bang next action nyo towards you, Capricorn? The Page of Swords. Finding, looking, I don't know. Ano bang hinahanap nito? May paghahanap to eh. Pagdating sa'yo. May hinahanap siya pagdating sa'yo. What's with the Page of Swords? The Knight of Wands. Okay. Some of you, may chance na magkaroon na kayo ng communication. Okay? Pero, nasa plano niya na gusto niya makipag-usap pero nandun yung Knight of Wands in reverse. Para siyang urong-sulong. Urong-sulong na. Urong-sulong ka. Hindi ko alam. Oo. Yeah, the Seven of Chalices in reverse. Yeah, that's plan. Some of you, they find you someone na parang not interested. Oo. Kung ikaw tingin mo sa kanya hindi siya interesado sa'yo, ganun din ang tingin niya sa'yo. Okay? Pero, kung anong nararamdaman mo for this person, yun din ang nararamdaman niya. Gets nyo? Oo. Nasa waiting game kayo ng taong to. Someone is not talking. Oo, this is too silent. Kuliglig Ang naririnig ko dito, huni ng kuliglig. Oo, sa parang. Alam niyo yun? Yung kapag sobrang tahimik, oo, diba sa mga bukid-bukid, oo. Pero hindi ako lumaki sa farm, okay? Ha? Okay, so, yun na. Masyado kayong tahimik sa isa't isa. You're looking, oo, staring. Oo, sa isa't isa. Yes, pwedeng nahuhuli mo itong nakatingin sa'yo, nahuhuli ka niya nakatingin sa kanya. This is too awkward. Awkward, oo. Alam mo nangyari dito kapag ganyan. Inunahan na. Oo. Okay, so anong kailangan? Anong advice for you, Capricorn? Sa mga ganitong sitwasyonan, o diba? So next action niya is magkaroon ng plano or may plano na siya na gusto niya makipag-usap pero hindi niya alam kung papaano. Okay, hindi niya alam, parang yes, meron akong plano na gusto kong makausap si Capricorn pero paano? Andun lang plano, o 'di ba? Second step, wala na. Ayun yun parang first, kausapin ko si Capricorn. Second, wala na siyang maisulat kung anong gagawin. Wala na siyang alam. Wala na. Like second step is kibit balikat na lang. Parang ganon. Okay? So, anong advice for you, Capricorn? Oo, dapat advicean dito yung yung kakonect mo na to. Oo. Sabihin natin, magkakonect kayo deep down. O, diba? Hindi physical Oo, kulang sa physical. Yeah, see the two of chalices in reverse. Oh my God. Some of you have this strong connection with this person, no? Pwedeng soulmate kayo, may soul tie. Parang ganyan. Ano tong two of chalices in reverse? The three of pentacles. Dapat magkaroon kayo like mutual. Oo, mutual. So, pareho naman na kayo ng emosyon sa isa't isa. Kulang na lang dito is physical action. Oo. Magkaroon ng plano. Nandiyan yung building up. Okay? Eight of Swords. Masyado kayong tahimik sa isa't isa. You're avoiding each other. Pero, andun yung pull. No? Andun yung pull sa isa't isa. Pero, oh my God, ang hirap naman nito, Capricorn. Yeah, the Tower is here. Someone is afraid na magkaroon ng like a failed start, parang ganyan. Someone is afraid din pagdating sa rejection, mga ganyan, no? Okay, someone is too young, someone is younger than the other. Yeah, wala akong makuha dito actually. Ano to, isipan? Ano to, hintayan? Ang hirap nito, Capricorn. Masyado kayong tahimik sa isa't isa. Oo, awkward. Oh no. You're avoiding each other. Oo, pero masaya ka, no? Every time nakikita mo, masaya rin siya kapag nakikita ka niya. Uy! Oo. Some of you, the Three of Pentacles, may chance na pwedeng nagkakasama kayo sa isang environment pero walang pansinan. Okay, anyway, wala namang nangyayari dito. Oo. Kayo na lang ang bahalang gumawa ng aksyon, no? Wala tayong magagawa. Nakuha natin yung plano niya. Gusto niyang kausapin ka pero hindi niya alam kung paano ang next step. Okay? So, yun ang gusto niya mangyari. So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs, Aries through Pisces for Capricorn. Okay, so Aries. So, may ma-friend zone. Oo, parang feeling ng Aries na to is na-friend zone mo siya. Taurus. Okay, so nandyan yung parang nahihiya siya, hindi niya alam ang gagawin kapag nandyan ka. Okay. They're passionate actually. Okay, Gemini. So, may chance na pwedeng may nagbabago with this Gemini. Okay, may pagbabago. Okay, Cancer. Someone is ready to give in. Parang, okay, I'm ready. Like that. Okay? Leo, okay, they're holding back. Some of them because of their pride and the ego. That's why. Virgo, okay, so I think gusto ni Virgo na magkaayos kayo in general. Libra, okay, they're focused. Something is like pwedeng meron silang action na gagawin pagdating sa'yo. Scorpio, okay, they're attracted. Yeah, attracted pagdating sa'yo. Sagittarius, okay, some of them may chance na mag-step up sa situation. Iba sa kanila, may chance rin na nagmamature na. Okay? Okay, Capricorn, okay. So, this Capricorn is, sabihin natin, some of them is a player. Okay? The Knight of Wands, Universe. So, iba naman sa kanila, pwedeng hindi nila alam kung paano action towards you. Okay? Nandun yung parang hindi pa rin sila like sincere sa kung anong meron. Hindi nila alam kung anong dapat pag-focusan. Okay, Aquarius, they want to talk. Some of you, pwedeng i-message ka ng Aquarius na to. Okay, so Pisces, so it's like hot and cold pagdating kay Pisces. Okay, they're hot and cold. Yeah. So there, yun ang ating reading for you, Capricorn placements. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.